Think passive income is your ticket to financial freedom? Think again. The passive income industry has spent years selling you a fantasy while hiding some seriously dark truths about what it actually takes to build real wealth without working. Here's what'll blow your mind. 97% of people who try to build passive income never make more than $100 per month. The average passive income business requires 60+ hours per week for the first 2 to 3 years. And here's the kicker. Most passive income gurus make their money selling courses about passive income, not from their actual passive income streams. But here's the really disturbing part. You're not just wasting your time chasing passive income dreams. You're avoiding the real work that actually builds wealth. And the passive income industry wants to keep you distracted with get-rich-quick schemes while they get rich off your desperation. Today, I'm going to expose the uncomfortable truths about passive income that nobody wants to discuss. This isn't about crushing your dreams. It's about saving you from wasting years of your life on strategies that don't work. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. This channel exposes the financial lies that keep people broke and shows you what actually works for building wealth. Trust me, what you're about to learn could save you from years of frustration and financial disappointment. Let's dive in. Truth number 1, there's no such thing as truly passive income. Here's the uncomfortable reality. Every single passive income stream requires massive upfront work, ongoing maintenance, and constant attention. The word passive is marketing BS designed to sell you on the fantasy of making money while you sleep. Think about it. Rental properties require finding tenants, dealing with repairs, handling evictions, and managing maintenance. Dividend stocks require research, monitoring, and rebalancing. Online businesses require content creation, customer service, and marketing. None of this is passive. Here's the math that'll make you sick. To generate $5,000 per month in rental income, you need properties worth about $1.2 million. To get there, you'll spend hundreds of hours finding deals, negotiating purchases, managing renovations, and dealing with tenants. That's not passive. That's a full-time job. But here's what's really messed up. The passive income industry has redefined passive to mean not a traditional job. They've convinced people that 60-hour weeks building a business is somehow more passive than working 40 hours for an employer. It's complete nonsense. The wealthy understand something that passive income seekers don't. All income requires work. The difference is whether you're doing the work upfront or continuously. But either way, you're working. The money doesn't just magically appear. Truth number 2, passive income requires massive active capital. This is the part they don't want you to know. Building meaningful passive income requires either massive amounts of money or massive amounts of time. There's no middle ground, and there's no shortcut. Here's the brutal math. To generate $50,000 per year in passive income from dividend stocks, you need about $1.25 million invested. To make that from rental properties, you need about $1 million in real estate equity. To make it from a business, you need to build something worth millions. So when passive income gurus tell you that anyone can do it, they're lying. Not anyone can do it. Only people with substantial capital or people willing to sacrifice years of their life building something can do it. Here's what'll make you angry. Most passive income advice is designed for people who already have money. They tell you to just buy rental properties without mentioning that you need $100,000 plus in cash to get started. They tell you to invest in dividend stocks without mentioning that you need hundreds of thousands of dollars to generate meaningful income. But here's the really sick part. They market these strategies to people who don't have money. They prey on people who are desperate for financial freedom and sell them dreams they can't afford to pursue. The passive income industry has created a generation of people who think they can skip the wealth building phase and jump straight to the wealth preservation phase. It doesn't work that way. Truth number 3, most passive income streams are just low-paying jobs in disguise. Here's what nobody talks about. When you calculate the hourly wage for most passive income streams, they pay less than minimum wage. You're not building wealth, you're creating the world's worst job. Let's do the math on some popular passive income streams. YouTube channels. The average YouTuber makes 1 cent to 3 cents per view. To make $1,000 per month, you need about 100,000 views. That requires creating 20 to 30 videos per month, managing comments, editing, thumbnails, and marketing. That's easily 60 plus hours of work for $1,000. That's $16 per hour before taxes. Drop shipping. The average drop shipping store makes about $1,000 to $2,000 per month in profit. But you're spending 50 plus hours per week finding products, creating ads, managing customer service, and handling returns. That's about $10 per hour. Affiliate marketing. The top 1% of affiliate marketers make good money. Everyone else makes basically nothing. The average affiliate marketer makes less than $100 per month while spending 20 plus hours per week creating content. Here's what'll blow your mind. Most people pursuing passive income would make more money working at McDonald's, but they've been convinced that grinding for $5 per hour building a passive income stream is somehow better than earning $15 per hour at a regular job. The passive income industry has convinced people that being broke while building a business is more prestigious than being stable with a regular job. It's complete madness. Truth number 4. The passive income industry is built on survivor bias. This is the most insidious part. Every passive income success story you hear is a statistical anomaly. For every person making $10,000 per month from passive income, there are thousands who tried and failed. Here's what they don't tell you. Most passive income businesses fail within the first year. Most rental property investors lose money. Most affiliate marketers never make their first dollar. Most YouTube channels never reach 1,000 subscribers. But here's the really messed up part. The failures don't write books or create courses. They don't give interviews or speak at conferences. They just quietly give up and go back to their regular jobs. So all you hear about are the successes, which creates the illusion that passive income is easier than it actually is. The passive income industry is built on showcasing the 1% who succeeded while ignoring the 99% who failed. It's like a casino highlighting their big winners while hiding their millions of losers. Here's what'll make you angry. The people selling you passive income courses know this. They know that most of their students will fail, but they keep selling the dream because it's more profitable to sell hope than to tell the truth. Truth number 5. Passive income gurus. Make money selling courses, not from passive income. Here's the biggest scam in the passive income industry. Most passive income gurus don't actually make their money from passive income. They make it from selling courses, coaching, and affiliate commissions to people who want to build passive income. Think about it. If someone had a proven system for generating $50,000 per month in passive income, why would they spend their time creating courses and doing webinars? Why wouldn't they just scale their system and make more passive income? Here's the answer. Because teaching people about passive income is more profitable than actually building passive income. They can make millions selling courses about real estate investing while never actually investing in real estate themselves. The passive income industry has created a meta economy where people make money teaching others how to make money, while very few people actually make money from the strategies being taught. Here's what'll blow your mind. The most successful passive income businesses are the ones selling passive income education. They've figured out that selling the dream is more profitable than living the dream. Truth number 6. Building real wealth requires active income first. Here's the uncomfortable truth nobody wants to admit. You need to build active income before you can build passive income. You need to make money before you can invest money. You need to create value before you can capture value. Every wealthy person started with active income. They worked jobs, built businesses, or created value through their skills and effort. Then they used that income to buy assets that generated passive income. There's no shortcut. But here's what's really messed up. The passive income industry has convinced people to skip the active income phase. They tell people to quit their jobs to pursue passive income dreams. They encourage people to go into debt to buy rental properties. They promote strategies that require money people don't have. The result? People waste years of their life pursuing passive income while their peers are building careers, gaining skills, and accumulating capital. By the time they realize passive income isn't working, they're years behind where they could have been. Here's the hard truth. The best passive income strategy is to maximize your active income first. Get really good at something valuable, build a high income skill, create a successful business. Then use that income to buy passive income assets. What actually works instead? Here's what the wealthy actually do. They focus on building high income skills, creating valuable businesses, and then converting their active income into passive assets over time. They don't chase passive income dreams. They build active income realities. They understand that wealth comes from creating value, not from finding loopholes. The real secret to financial freedom isn't passive income. It's having enough assets to live off the returns. But you can't buy assets without income, and you can't have income without skills, and you can't have skills without work. Here's what'll change your life. Stop chasing passive income and start building active income. Get really good at something valuable. Build a business that solves real problems. Develop skills that people will pay for. Then use that income to buy assets that generate returns.
The passive income will come naturally as a result of your active income success, but it won't come from following some guru's course or trying to game the system.
The hard truth about financial freedom. Here's what nobody wants to tell you. Financial freedom doesn't come from passive income streams. It comes from having enough money invested that you can live off the returns. And you can't get there by chasing passive income fantasies. The path to financial freedom is simple but not easy. Earn more, spend less, invest the difference, build skills, create value, solve problems, work hard, save money, buy assets. Do this consistently for 10 to 20 years, and you'll have financial freedom. But that's not sexy, that's not exciting, that doesn't sell courses or generate clicks. So the passive income industry sells you fantasies instead of realities.
The uncomfortable truth is that building wealth requires work, time, and discipline. There's no shortcut. There's no secret strategy. There's no passive income hack that will make you rich without effort.
If you're ready to stop chasing passive income dreams and start building real wealth, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. And let me know in the comments, what passive income strategy have you tried that didn't work? Because recognizing the problem is the first step to solving it.
Your future self is counting on you to focus on what actually works. Don't let them down.
Thanks for watching, and remember, the best passive income strategy is to build so much active income that you can afford to buy passive income assets. Everything else is just a distraction from the real work of building wealth.